In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a directory website with the MyListing theme. We'll begin inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, the first goal is to get the theme installed correctly so the rest of your setup goes smoothly. Head over to Appearance, then Themes, click Add New, and upload the MyListing theme zip file that you purchased. After the upload finishes, click Activate. This gives your website the core design framework and directory functionality you'll be building on. Right after activation, follow the automated setup wizard. This part is important because the theme depends on a few bundled plugins to work properly. During this process, install the required plugins, including Elementor and WooCommerce. Elementor will handle your page design, while WooCommerce will be used later for monetization and listing packages. Let the wizard complete fully before moving on, since skipping plugin installation can cause missing features later. Next, focus on designing your listing types, which is really the engine of your directory website. This is where you define what kind of listings people can submit and what information each listing should contain. Taking time here is worth it because the structure you create will shape the entire user experience. Once that foundation is in place, you can start building custom pages with Elementor. To create your home page, go to Pages, click Add New, name the page Home, and then select Edit with Elementor. This opens the Visual Builder where you can design the page by dragging and arranging content blocks in real time. Inside Elementor, open the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you see the widgets that come with the MyListing theme. These specialized widgets are what make the directory feel dynamic and useful. Drag elements like the search form block or the listing categories grid onto the canvas and position them where they make the most sense. A good tip here is to keep the homepage simple and focused so visitors can immediately search or browse listings without confusion. After the front end starts taking shape, move into WooCommerce by going to Products and clicking Add New. Here, create a new product using the listing package product type. Set your pricing and any package-specific metrics, then save it. This is what allows you to charge for submissions or offer different listing tiers. From there, enable front-end submissions and monetization features so users can submit listings directly through your site. This is a major part of turning the directory into a working platform rather than just a static website. Finally, complete your map API integration and make sure the site is optimized for mobile devices. Maps are often essential for directory websites, and mobile responsiveness matters because many users will browse and search from their phones. Once that's done, your directory website will be much closer to launch ready,